Hey guys, so today I kind of forgot to record an intro, but basically I'm going to be talking about So Good, So You. They're little juice shots that have probiotics in them. You know, so many times I think we forget how important our gut health is. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to go get some health and wellness shots, little juice shot things. Obviously I try to stay healthy. I try to work out. So I'm gonna run to Target and go get some. There's just a random pair of socks in the middle of our street. So on my way here, there were a couple guys on the road that wanted to race, and I was shaking my head no. Listen, I'm not gonna get myself killed. And then they flipped me off. It's a good day today. Okay, so I found them right there. It feels so awkward recording in this store. I found one that's ginger, and then I found one that has blue and green algae. I'm not entirely sure about this, but we're gonna try it out. Oh my gosh, yay, I got them. Okay. I'm not too excited about this ginger one. That's why I only got one. It says it has organic orange juice, organic ginger juice, organic raw honey, organic cayenne pepper. Oh, they have an Instagram called So Good, So You. Guess go check them out. Anyway, I'm gonna get these home because they have to be refrigerated, and I'll try one later after I work out. Do I know you?
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout in for today. I'm doing some power yoga, and I'll list it for you right here. She's pretty amazing. Her name is Zoe. I would go ahead and give her a follow. I've seen some fantastic results from her workouts, and I absolutely love it. So today is leg day. One thing I really like about Zoe's videos is that it's not crazy hard on your body. Oftentimes, I would do a very intense workout, but nothing wrong with that. I would just be exhausted for the rest of the day. This really helps me get going and feel motivated and just feel good inside and out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna drink the green shot. Hello, voiceover. So one thing I really like about these workouts is that I feel stretched out and calmer afterwards. At the end of the day, I got a good workout in, my mind is clearer, and I'm a happier person. And just do what's right for your body. Oh, I feel so much better. Oh. It was just the best workout. I think you guys should really check her out. Really tired of regular scrambled eggs? Just put in some cream cheese.
Yeah, baby.
So the ingredients on this So Good, So You Detox Probiotic Shot, there's organic pineapple juice, organic orange juice, organic blue-green algae. Apparently, organic blue-green algae is supposed to help like with eye twitching and stuff like that. And then there's Bacillus coagulans. That's just the natural probiotic. I've got some almond milk with me right here. In case it tastes bad, but it shouldn't. I mean, I don't know. Oh, it doesn't smell bad. I really like this. Okay, I really like this. I think you should get it. I honestly thought it was gonna taste bad for some reason, but it tastes really good. I'm gonna go watch Seinfeld with my dog now. Day 2 was pretty good. I doggy sat a lot. And a little bit later before I worked out, I had a detox shot. It was beautiful and it sure tasted beautiful. Sorry about the Christmas music, I'm just feeling it. Pretty much explaining to you my day-to-day life. But I did some makeup before going to the store and boy do I look good. My mom was making some sort of broccoli chicken kind of thing, so I went to the store and picked up some, chicken. Then I decided to work out, take a walk in the heat. Okay, hello again. So I've got some yogurt, got some water. I've got the last juice shot. This one is immunity probiotic shot. This is the one I was nervous about beforehand, but because the other one tasted so good, I don't think this is gonna taste bad at all. It's pretty much just juice. It says powered by ginger, and I forgot to read nutritional facts on the back of the other one, but this one says it has 25 calories, 6 carbs, 6 sugars, 0 protein. Has 178 milligrams of potassium. There's no calcium in this, just in case you're like taking any medication that requires you not to have calcium. And the ingredients on this one are it definitely smells like ginger. You know when you go into someone's house and they have the, like this. They have this going with the essential oils. They have essential oils running. Yeah, it smells something like that. It's very strong. Okay. Oh my... I wasn't expecting that. So this one has a little bit of a kick to it. I forgot about the cayenne pepper. Well, that was interesting. You know, it's strange because it's the combination of ginger and cayenne pepper. It was very shocking, and that's why you have to read everything before you taste it. This tasty blend of pure nutritious juices provides a powerful, no-nonsense daily kick in the pants. Well, this definitely kicked my pants. So the one that you just saw me drink, so I really think you should go check out So Good So You. I think it's important for us to keep in mind what is best for our bodies. And ultimately, that's why I did this video. School starting here in a little bit, it's gonna get real busy. And I'm not gonna have time to exercise every single day. But if I can work out maybe 2 to 4 times a week, somewhere around there, and then eat the best that I can possibly eat, then I'm on the right track. Last year was a little bit harder. It was my freshman year, and I was kind of getting used to things. That's kind of the year that you figure out who you are a little bit, or at least try to. But I didn't exercise very much, wasn't putting the best food in my body. Oh my gosh, I can feel that cayenne in my stomach. But if we can do our own research and do what's best for our bodies, and every body is different and every different body needs something different, can be mindful of that, then we should be good to go. So obviously not spawns, but just thought I'd share my thoughts on these little guys. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I really hope you have an amazing week. Okay, bye. Ugh.